Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to My Technological World, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today we are going to talk hot in the news. Oppo R17 Pro came yesterday to launch next month with Super VOOC charging. Fastest charging phone Oppo R17 Pro with dual battery stakes its claim that taking just 10 minutes to charge 40%. The Oppo R17 Pro is lightning quick, though its charging looks more like a laptop charger. Announced yesterday that it will launch on 4th of December, the Oppo R17 is powered by a Qualcomm STM710 Snapdragon CPU processor with 128GB storage and 8GB of RAM. The device also has a 6.4-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 1080 by 2340 pixels, 402 ppi display. With the Adreno 616 GPU, the graphics will be amazing. And if you just look at the phone, the Oppo R17 Pro lacks the integrity of the company's Find X device, with its fancy pop-up camera opting instead for a very small notch display. However, there are still some really interesting things going on in this smartphone that you are not going to find anywhere else. But to be honestly, before we go into all of that, you'll notice that the overall design aesthetic of the R17 Pro is very similar to the R17, with the so-called water drop notch and color scheme at harkens back to the Huawei P20 Pro. Even though the three lenses appears to be just like the P20 setup, that's not exactly true. The P20 Pro features a 40 megapixel main sensor, a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor, and a 8 megapixel telephoto lens. The R17 Pro, on the other hand, in contrast, has a 20 megapixel main lens, a 12 megapixel secondary lens, and a 3D stereo camera lens. If you are wondering where the fingerprint sensor is, it's an in-display sensor just like on the R17. You just put your finger on the AMOLED panel in the required spot and it will unlock for you. But one of the really interesting thing about the Oppo R17 Pro is its battery, or rather batteries. The R17 Pro actually has two batteries, both with a capacity of 1850 mAh for a combined equivalent of 3700 mAh. Working together in tandem, Oppo claims that the maximum charging power is close to 50 watt and you'll get a 40% charging in only 10 minutes. It is not clear if one battery drains first and then the other after, or if both batteries drain charge simultaneously. Once again, we'll need more hands-on time with the phone to answer some of these questions. Speaking of hands-on time, Oppo is mum so far on how much the R17 Pro will cost as well as when it will be available. We'll keep our eyes out for you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding Oppo R17 Pro smartphone. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and comment in the comment section as well. And subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.